We're excited to welcome you to our beautiful granny flat display home in Newcastle. With its own street frontage and private entrance, it feels just like a standalone home, without the price tag. Based on our popular Silverdale floor plan, this stylish space features a dual skillion roof, raked ceilings and highlight windows, allowing an abundance of light and a feeling of spaciousness. The open plan living and dining area flows seamlessly into a galley-style kitchen, complete with a sleek window splashback and sliding doors that lead out to a welcoming patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Inside, you'll find 2 comfortable bedrooms, each with a ceiling fan and built-in robe, plus a modern bathroom and a separate laundry for added convenience. This isn't just a granny flat. It's a thoughtfully designed home that blends style with functionality and comfort. Have a dream for your own backyard? Get in touch with our team today.